The theme is UI for AI, and one of the most important components in a user interface is the rich text editor. It's so important because when we're authoring, when we're writing, we're spending so much time inside of the editor. Sometimes we could be spending hours just writing and composing. It's such a great way to integrate AI into the workflow of any application. And if we can solve this generically in the components, we can add AI to all kinds of applications. For example, if we've got a task manager, or if we're writing a blog post, or if we're doing an email application that has rich text editing, all of these can leverage having a really great editor in it that can speak with AI to help generate content. Our goal with our editor is an integration that you can do possibly in less than a minute. And the idea is that when we're done with the integration, the developer and the user would have a fantastic way to add AI into an application that they could use immediately. And the goal also is for it to be a drop-in replacement for a text area. So if you have a text area inside of your application, you're going to be able to change the text area from a React component just by replacing it with this new editor component. So what you're seeing on the screen is Wizimark. This is a rich text editor that I've been working on for over a year, but I haven't been maintaining it. I think it's still a great editor, but we really want to bring this up to speed and we want to make it a first-class citizen in terms of support. I have dedicated time towards this project, and what we're going to do with it is make it fully AI enabled. There's three types of editors that I want to support. One is a editor that's a direct replacement for a text area inside of a form. The second kind of rich text editor I want to integrate is the kind that you see in a blog editor or an inline editor. You might see this in applications like Notion, or if you've used it, Slite. The third type of rich text editor that I want to integrate, the editor that you would have in a chat interface. So this would be like in a program like Slack, but also in this AI age, it would be more like ChatGPT or an AI chat sidebar where you talk back and forth to the AI. Some of these will be things like being able to mention files that you can upload into the AI and have the LLM understand those. As you're seeing here, Wizimark is a project I've been working on. It is a Markdown rich text editor, which means that it speaks Markdown. This is super important because the native language of AI is Markdown. So it automatically understands Markdown. You don't have to explain what it is. And the editor, once you make all the edits, if I'm typing here, you're going to see on the right that if, let's say if I have this word here, Amet, it is going to automatically convert that into Markdown text. And so when we feed this into the AI, it automatically understands. You don't have to do any extra explanation. And in fact, the AI will also respond typically in Markdown, and that's the default format. Markdown is one of the reasons why Wizimark is a great fit for AI-based applications. We're going to do a lot more with it though, but this is a start. This is the second week on my tour of UI for AI, showing you my journey into creating great UI for AI applications. We're starting with this rich text editor, but as we go, you're going to see how I keep improving this editor, but also how we're going to use this editor in actual applications that are built for AI that have really good UI.